take name and age of user. You have to take input from the user. You have to take input from the user. Input from user, and you have to print on console. Print on console. Okay, so how to do this we will see. So the question is take name and age of user. So we need to take input from the user. So to take input from the user, we have input function in Python. So how to use it? For example, first I want to take name. So I will take here name variable. So I will use input function here, and it will I will write here prompt message to user, enter your name please. Okay, so this is prompt message to user. Now I got name there, name in name variable, then age I want to get. So as default value entered by input function is string, so when so age is number. So when storing the number in this age variable, I need to convert it into integer. So for that I need to use int function, input. So I will write here prompt message, enter your age. Now whatever the age user has entered, it is stored in this age variable. Now I want to print on the console, that using f string I will print name of the person is, now I need to use replacement operator, and age is age. So now first we need to save this program, control S I have done. Now I will run this. So it is telling, it is asking enter your name please. So I will give here Ram, and age is 22. So and on final, so print, it is printing name of the person is Ram and age is 22. So in this way you can take input from user, in data from user using this input function, and when you are taking data as number, so you have to convert it into proper number data type, that is int or float. Okay, so in this way you can use this input and print function. Thanks for watching the video.